So we are definitely working with Carol's Perez on looking at books that are developmentally appropriate for our young students for gender identity, which means we want to be respectful of those students who use different pronouns. But we are only going to talk about the use of pronouns. We're not going to get into anything to do with sexuality or home lives or anything of that nature, but we want students to understand that there are students in your class that are identified with different pronouns, and that's okay. And we have actually bought books that have been suggested by DESE, and they are really very kid-friendly, if you will, and very developmentally appropriate. We've read them. We're not ready to introduce those yet. We want to make sure that we have one teacher who would like to be like our pilot classroom, if you will, only because we want to make sure that teachers feel very safe and secure in that presentation and have a good understanding of what are the questions, what will they anticipate as questions from students, and how will they respond. And that's where our Director of Diversity, Equity, Inclusion will be so beneficial to us as a guide. And there's also DESE guidelines as well. So we will stay within those guidelines and we'll do our best to help students understand that.
For sure.